Hello everyone, in this video I am showing you how I made this bed skirt, which is just to one side of the bed. So let's get started. First I measured the height of the bed skirt which I needed, and then I pinned up an elastic instead of measuring, just to have a better idea how it will work. So after that I'll show you here how I measured the cloth for it. So this cloth is about 28 inches. So I marked 22 inches and then folded 5 inches toward the back side. And after marking, I'll just fold the cloth and then I'll iron it just to make it easy to sew and make it look very neat and clean. This is a long strip of cloth. The length of my bed is 80 inches and this is 120 inches. Now I am showing you how I put the elastic inside. So first I will make a casing at the top. So measure the elastic, how big that is, and make the casing according to that, and then make another casing to the bottom and leave the middle empty. Now here I'm showing you how I put the elastic inside. So I just left about an inch to the outside. I'll show you later why I did that. And then fold the cloth and then sew beside the elastic. Don't sew on the top, and just sew beside it. Either do this way or just make the casing and then insert the elastic later on. Right now I'm putting the other end of the elastic in the bottom side, and I'm making another casing. Now push the elastic toward the bottom side. Doing it this way is a bit hard because we have to push the elastic all the way to the end. It's a bit hard, so better do the casing first and then insert the elastic later on. Now pull the elastic and make the gathering. The length of my bed is 80 inches, so I'll make it 40 inches. So once I'm done that, I'll measure it. So I folded it and then measure it just to make it easy, and it is about 42 inches, which is good. So here I'm telling you why I left that little bit extra. I'll make buttonholes there, but before that I'll just run stitch over both ends so that I don't lose the elastic in the process. So after doing that at the both ends, I will do that to the other two ends too. And then in all four sides I'll make buttonholes. So for buttonholes, just fold the elastic and do the regular process as you would do in any other fabric. So hand stitch it or machine it, both are fine. So I stitched 2 buttons to the head of the bed on the fitted sheet and to the bottom of the fitted sheet, just to attach the bed skirt to it. So this is how I attach my bed skirt to my bed. So thanks everyone, and please subscribe to stay connected.